First, we need to select the simple information. And then we have to set the high level of the truck. The plankton reserve space. After it goes to the suitable level, press Start Test. The machine captures the fail force automatically, and the plankton will be reset to the initial position.